Namaste my friends, welcome to Atmaflow. In today's video I want to talk about the best pranayama technique during COVID. When I myself had COVID, I couldn't practice pranayama properly anymore. So I researched a bit and I found a few techniques, and even one technique especially recommended by scientists, by spiritual leaders, by yogis to help to fight COVID, to strengthen the respiratory system. I will show you 3 techniques today. The main technique is called Bhramari Pranayama, the bumblebee's breath, where we hum. It is said it's the secret cure to all kinds of diseases. I have a more detailed explanation about this technique already on a video, you can check it out here. But Bhramari basically is to bring the attention within, the focus on the breath. So we're making the sound of Om, closing the mouth, putting the tongue on the palate. It's more an exhalation, slowly, and an end in the flow instead of pushing out the air. And we close, don't close, just look first, otherwise you can't see me. You close your ears. You can push that you don't hear anything. The eyes with your middle finger and ring finger slightly. Close your eyes. Put the forefinger on the forehead, the pinky finger on the upper lip. Then you close, you inhale. And exhale. Mouth closed. Tongue on the palate. It is also very calming, a good preparation for meditation. It has so many benefits. Try it out for yourself. Try to do 5, 3, 4. You have to see how much you can do, especially when you're sick, you feel like getting sick, or you want to prevent getting sick. Practice this pranayama technique daily. Bhramari Pranayama. The next is Kaki Mudra Pranayama. Kaki is the crow, and Mudra means gesture. It's like you breathe like a crow or bird. Imagine you have a straw between your lips. Suck the air in. It's also very calming, very relaxing, and it will strengthen your lungs. So it's also a great way to strengthen the whole respiratory system. You can continue 5 to 10 breaths, or as long as you comfortably can. And the third one is yogic breathing, also the only right way to breathe. Belly, diaphragm, chest. Place your hand on the belly, take a couple of breaths. Place your hand on the side of your rib cage to feel the diaphragm expanding. Then interlay your fingers, bringing it at the back of your head on the neck. Your elbows facing upward, and then open the chest, open up the lungs, and breathe consciously in the lungs. Then rub your hands together, make them nice warm. One hand on the chest, one hand on the belly button, close your eyes, and then breathe into the belly, up to the diaphragm, into the top parts of your lungs, and letting go. Like the waves of an ocean coming and going. Use your 3 breathing muscles in the right way: belly, diaphragm, lungs. Let go of your arms, place them on your knees, and find your own breathing rhythm. but continue breathing into the belly, diaphragm, chest. This is very important to open up the system, to clear the lungs, to learn how to breathe properly instead of the chest. Shallow breathing will lead to more illnesses, to blocked emotions, to depressions, and so many other negative things in your life. So learn to use your belly up to the top parts of your lungs. There's also a video about yogic breathing. Please check it out. Practice these 3 techniques. Fight COVID, prevent any kind of diseases. These techniques, especially Bhramari, helps you to increase nitric oxide, what has antiviral propensities. It will help you to fight any viruses. And if you practice it daily, it will help you to prevent you from getting severe sick. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep updated, and I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.